Hey everybody, it's Jensen from Tapestry of Africa, Tours and Safaris once again, and I say Jambo, that great Swahili word for welcome and hello. Today we're talking all about lodges and camps and different tiers and different qualities, and we are going to focus today on the budget or basic level of lodges and camps. As I've mentioned in the previous episodes of Luxury Plus, Luxury and Mid-Level, there are typically four categories of lodges and camps, and today we're going to talk about that bottom of the four, budget or basic. Now, some of you might think that by going budget or basic that you're truly going to be roughing it, and while in some cases that could be true, as some safaris do offer a pack and go type of experience where you do literally camp in a small tent with nothing more than a mattress and a sleeping bag, and meals come in open propane tank stoves and served this way. But in most situations, the basic or budget level lodges and camps have the same offerings without the additional comfort or quality. For example, a budget level camp or tent might or might not have an in-suite bathroom and shower. It's important to understand, but you can have both. Some or most do offer en-suite bathrooms and showers, while others don't. Usually they come with a frame bed and a mattress, but not so much with decor, not so much with additional amenities. Budget level accommodations are typically geared toward those who aren't looking for all the extra foofiness of a luxury safari, as they are there for the wildlife and they want to come and they want to go, and that is what they're focused on, not on the relaxing or the luxurious options that come with some of the more high-end lodges and camps. Budget level camps and lodges typically provide full board accommodation where they do provide all of your meals. They're much more basic, but typically they're still safe. Food preparation is sanitary and it's safe. And they do try to give some degree of variety, so you do get to experience African cuisine as well as a few other more Western inspired choices for those that might have more picky palates. But I highly recommend, if you feel like a safari is out of reach because of cost, consider a budget or basic level safari. They still come with your private game drive and private guide through the parks and the reserves. And like I said, wildlife doesn't know if you're staying in luxury or basic. You'll still have an amazing time visiting the incredible wildlife of Africa. So check out the budget level, basic level lodges and camps, and don't let expense or cost keep you from visiting Africa.